more about the load patterns, load cases, and load combinations. To view the whole object, we can go to view, show all objects. So what basically I'm trying to teach you here is that in defining load combinations, when we have entered the by default load combinations, we have entered some minus values for the wind loadings also. At that time I didn't told you to I had told you that I will tell you later why we need to delete this minus 1.5. So basically the direction of our sign is like away from the structure here or towards the structure here. If we will enter minus 1.5, the whole case will be reversed. So this is a mistake by most of the inexperienced engineers. What they do is that they hurriedly enter they hurriedly go for add default design combos and didn't delete this minus 1.5. So all this load that was going in the upper direction or will act towards the structure, making it much more uneconomical and much more over designed and much more undesirable, because that type of loading will not act on the structure. So there is no point in designing the wind load in minus direction for this case only. So what we need to do here is that we need to select the minus load patterns and we need to delete that. First of all, our first case is earthquakes and 0.9 dead load minus 1.5 wind. 0.9 dead load plus CL plus 1.5 wind is not here, it is here. So we need to delete these load combinations, and similarly here also we need to delete these 4 load combinations. We have positive here, and similarly we need to delete these 4 load combinations and these 4. Make sure that there is no negative wind load combinations in the design. Earthquake load can act on both the directions. If we are going for simple static analysis, then we need to consider these load combinations, and if we are doing response spectrum analysis, then we need to consider these load combinations. That I will tell you in the later lectures. But right now our main purpose is that we need to check the load combinations and their applicability and their correctness, whether they are desirable or not. So rest of the load combinations are now okay, and left click on OK and save this model.